When you click on the Device Management option on your control panel, you are presented with two drop-down menus, the Device and Status. Below these drop-downs are the 5 buttons: Devices, Device Groups, Driver Editor, Maintenance, and Device Switches. By clicking the Device drop-down menu, you will see a list of all of the devices that are currently within your Live Tracking Maps system. You may select an individual device from this list, so only that unit is viewable. This is helpful when you need to quickly locate a vehicle or asset within your account. When you are ready to view all of your devices again, click back on the Device drop-down menu and select the All Devices option. The Status drop-down menu allows you to view your devices based on the status in which they are currently operating. The options available are moving, idling, stopped, ignition on, and ignition off. Selecting the moving option shows you all of the moving devices on your account. Subsequently, selecting idling shows idling devices, stopped shows stopped devices, ignition on and ignition off shows vehicles that are currently in those corresponding states. Tech support is available Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 7 p.m., and Saturdays, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Central.